You can pack more nutrients into your diet without having to eat a ton of different foods. I will be diving into the delightful world of Superfood Smoothies, a nutrient-dense meal that's as tasty as it is beneficial. I've whipped up a recipe that's brimming with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It's a concoction that's not only a feast for the taste buds but also a health booster. So stay with me and discover how to make a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie that is good for your health and your taste buds. My Superfood Smoothie recipe involves some truly amazing ingredients. Let's introduce each one and delve into the health benefits they bring to the table. First up, I have the star of my recipe, blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are a treasure trove of antioxidants, known for their ability to improve brain function and protect against aging. But that's not all. They're also rich in vitamin C and fiber, champions in supporting a healthy immune system and aiding digestion. Since I am talking superfoods, blueberries are surely wearing a cape. Next, I have spinach, an ingredient that might raise a few eyebrows. But let me assure you, spinach in a smoothie is a game changer. A nutritional powerhouse, spinach provides important vitamins like A, C and K, not to mention iron and calcium. This leafy green promotes healthy bones, boosts energy levels, and even supports eye health. So while it may not be a traditional smoothie ingredient, it's certainly a super one. Now, moving on to almond milk. You'll need about 1 cup of this dairy-free delight. It's a fantastic alternative for those with dietary restrictions, and it's brimming with vitamins and minerals. Almond milk gives the smoothie a creamy texture, while also contributing to your daily nutrient intake. Finally, I have a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds may seem insignificant, but they are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and antioxidants. They're perfect for promoting healthy digestion and keeping you fuller for longer. They're like tiny nutrient bombs ready to explode with goodness in your smoothie. So there you have it, my 4 main ingredients: blueberries, spinach, almond milk and chia seeds. Each one packed with nutrients, ready to combine into a delicious and health-boosting superfood smoothie. Now that we know what we need, it's time to start making our superfood smoothie. But before we dive in, I have one small favor to ask of you. You're probably now wondering, what is this favor he's about to ask? Well, it's simple and takes just a few seconds of your time. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device, and on it, you'll see a thumbs up symbol. Click on it. It might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. By clicking on it, not only are you showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video, but you're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Then, once this video has ended and you've absorbed all the information it has to offer, what then? Well, don't keep it to yourself. The power of knowledge is in its distribution, in its sharing. I urge you to share this video across your social networks, through your emails and on all other platforms. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now, you might be asking, is that all? Not at all. There's another step you can take to stay updated with all the informative videos that I'm posting. Look for the subscribe button. Click on it. By clicking on it, you're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. But don't stop at subscribing, there's more. Notice the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That's the notification bell. Click on it and then select all. By doing this, you are ensuring that you never miss out on any new videos that are posted. You may now wonder, why should I subscribe? The answer is straightforward. Subscribing to my channel doesn't cost you anything, it's absolutely free. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, You will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, I also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, my channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs when something is off balance. By being part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs, to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. Now, it's not just about me talking, I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions and queries all enrich this platform. They help me understand your needs better and how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So don't hesitate, make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. First, grab a handful of the fresh blueberries and add them to your blender. These tiny but mighty fruits are the star of our show today. Rich in antioxidants, these vibrant berries are known to boost brain function and protect against aging. Not just that, they're a fantastic source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which are essential for a robust immune system and smooth digestion. Now move on to the greens. Yes, you heard that right. We're adding spinach to our smoothie. A handful of these leafy greens will do the trick. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrition, loaded with vitamins A, C and K, along with minerals like iron and calcium. It's known to promote bone health, boost energy levels and even support eye health. So even though it might seem a bit unusual, trust me, it's a great addition to our superfood smoothie. Next, we're going to pour in some almond milk. About a cup should suffice. This isn't just any milk, it's a delightful dairy-free alternative that's brimming with vitamins and minerals. Almond milk gives our smoothie a smooth and creamy texture while keeping it light and healthy. Now for the secret weapon, chia seeds. We're going to throw in a tablespoon of these tiny seeds. They may be small, but they're mighty when it comes to nutrition. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and antioxidants. They're known to promote healthy digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Once all our ingredients are in the blender, it's time to blend. Start at a low speed and gradually increase it to ensure everything gets evenly mixed. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Feel free to add a bit of ice if you prefer your smoothie cold. The blending process might take a minute or two, but it's worth the wait. The transformation of these individual ingredients into a unified, nutrient-packed smoothie is a sight to behold. And there you have it. A delicious, nutrient-rich superfood smoothie ready to enjoy. This smoothie is the perfect blend of taste and health, offering a burst of flavors while packing a punch of nutrients. It's a simple, quick and delicious way to incorporate some superfoods into your diet. So go ahead, take a sip and let the flavors dance on your palate. Remember, the key to a great smoothie is fresh ingredients and a good blender. The rest is all about your taste and preferences. You can always play around with the ingredients, add a bit of this, a tad of that, and create your own version of the superfood smoothie. After all, cooking is all about experimenting and enjoying the process. So, don't be afraid to mix things up a bit. In the end, it's not just about making a smoothie, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle, one sip at a time. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this superfood smoothie. With the vibrancy of blueberries and the nutritional powerhouse of spinach, this smoothie packs a punch of health benefits. Let's do a quick recap. I started with fresh blueberries, a treasure trove of antioxidants that boost brain function and slow down aging. They're also brimming with vitamin C and fiber, strengthening your immune system and aiding digestion. Then I introduced spinach, a surprise ingredient that's anything but ordinary. With a host of vitamins like A, C and K, it's a stalwart supporter of healthy bones, energy levels and even eye health. Almond milk came next, a wonderful dairy-free alternative teeming with vitamins and minerals. And of course, I added a tablespoon of chia seeds, tiny yet mighty contributors of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and antioxidants that promote healthy digestion and keep you feeling satisfied for longer. I blended it all together to create a smooth, creamy superfood smoothie, filled to the brim with flavors that delight the taste buds and nutrients that boost health. Now it's your turn to try this recipe. I am sure you'll love the taste, but I'm even more excited about the health benefits you'll enjoy. Let me know if you'll give it a try, and when you do, I'd also love to hear about your experience. Did you enjoy the taste? Did you feel the energy kick? Did you experiment with any other superfood ingredients? Let me know in the comments section. Your feedback is my inspiration, sparking new ideas for delicious and healthy recipes. And your health journey is my journey too. So let's explore it together, one superfood recipe at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, health-boosting recipes. I can't wait to hear about your superfood smoothie experience. Before I wrap up, I would like to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your time and interest. It's been a pleasure sharing this health and wellness journey with you. Your comments, thoughts and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments section. Sharing this video with your loved ones might inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's crucial to note that the information provided here is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It's not meant to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, use this information as a starting point and work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. In the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.